It's time. Purchase order is connected to the vendor shipment. The vendor shipment is connected to the receiving area. The receiving area is connected to the aisle, shelf, and bin. This is what inventory is all about. Yikes. The aisle, shelf, and bin are connected to the goods on hand. The goods on hand are connected to the inventory. The inventory is connected to the sales order. This is what inventory is all about. I actually got it. Yeah. The sales order is connected to the pick, pack, and ship. The pick, pack, and ship is connected to the delivery. The delivery is connected to the customer. This is what the inventory is all about. The customer is connected to your business because that's how you earn your money and put food on the table. So just track your stuff, okay? Shouldn't have to do this. Shouldn't have to sing it.